Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting prerequisites in place. Sign into your Apple ID on each device and make sure iCloud Contacts is enabled. Once done, export any contacts you're bringing from another service as a vCard file because iCloud imports. VCF reliably. Now, open Settings on iOS or System Settings on Mac OS and confirm the Contacts Sync toggle is on. This connects local contacts to iCloud. This step prevents duplicates and ensures future edits. Next, import the contacts file into iCloud so every device receives them. If you're on a browser, sign into iCloud. Open Contacts, click the Settings gear and choose Import vCard. This uploads the VCF directly. On a Mac, use the Contacts app and file import to add entries locally. They'll sync to iCloud. Make sure to handle duplicate detection. Let the system merge obvious matches, but spot check important entries to preserve phone numbers and email addresses. Finally, verify the upload by checking a second device signed into the same Apple ID. Contacts should appear within minutes. If they don't, make sure iCloud storage isn't full and then toggle contacts off and back on in iCloud settings, choosing merge when prompted to push local entries up. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in or re-import the vCard. This resolves most sync conflicts. If not, check network and account status as the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.